A 1996 E320 Mercedes. We're going to do a fuel filter replacement. So you're going to need a flathead and a Phillips. You're going to need a 10 millimeter and of course your new fuel filter. Make sure you make note of where the out is. Right there it says out. So that's where it comes out, and the in is from the tank side. So real simple here. The 10 millimeter, you're going to buzz off these three little nuts. I'm on the passenger side rear. We need this plastic cover off. I've got one more here, right there, and there's your pump and your filter. You're going to use the flathead, of course, get rid of any little spiders there first. Use the flathead to pull this hose off in the backside. Use the Phillips to loosen up the canister. Slide off your hose, slide off your hose. Put your new one in, tighten it up, Phillips, and put your three 10 millimeters back on. It's that simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out. I hope this video helped you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.